Madam, who one place of friends for me and
Don't chop fish. I don't restand for this side. I don't very restand. All this spoon, I don't restand.
But I don't get to speak. I don't chop. But I don't be food. Oh yeah, now. Go see.
Where's your money? Where's your money? Oh, your money, where's your money?
Okay. I will come give you later. I don't owe you before. I'll come give you later now. My boss, I'll come back on you.
Come here. Your mates. No, you're not the lie rubbish. Why they worry you now?
What did happen?
I said when you pay me money, they tell me say if you go outside work, you dey crazy.
I'll tell you something just now.
You smoke weed. If you're like this, I think they wait for you. If you go outside work, come back, then you'll come they pay me. How I'll take on the cook food for the next customers?
Let me finish shout.
I make her they shout.
I tell you say, I go pay you. So we can go outside work, go work. If I work finish, come back, I will pay your money.
Shut up your mouth. You pay me my money.
Hey.
But I don't go outside work now.
Pay me my money.
Madam, where they hold my clothes now?
I say pay me my money.
Madam, you're embarrassing me.
Oga.
Hey!
You pay me my money.
Madam, you slap me.
Shut up your mouth. Oga, pay me my money.
See, madam, see. I know that it's kind of
embarrassing. Hey! Pay me my money. I know the joke.
Hey! I don't need gun. I don't need gun.
Son? Are you going out?
Yes, I am going out, Father. Is everything all right?
Everything is fine. I just want to inform you that your betrothed is coming tomorrow. She's planning to come and see us, have some time with us. So I need you to cancel any appointment or plans that you have for tomorrow.
Father, how many times would I tell you that I'm not interested? I will get a wife for myself when the time comes. You don't have to get for me. I'm an adult, and I should be left alone to take this decision myself.
Look, son, I am your father. Aside the fact that I am your father, I am your king. And so you are bound to obey my command, regardless, okay?
I know, but I've never disrespected you before. I've never disobeyed you before. But I'm sorry to say in this one, I'm sorry. I'll do it myself this time.
And bring someone who has no background in non-entity, in low life to this palace?
Father, please, allow me to choose by myself. I beg you.
Look, son, I am your father, and I know what is best for you, okay?
Father, this is a matter of the heart. Only the heart can get what it wants. Excuse me, Father.
go kill am. Make una hold me o. Hey. Make una hold me.
Do you want to kill him?
I go kill am o. I go kill am.
I go kill him.
I go kill am.
You're mad.
But I go kill am o.
What's the problem?
I go beat am o. See. One am o. I just come here to go to chop o.
Hey!
Can you stop?
Bros, every time when this boy comes to my something to come and shop, he will not go pay money.
Okay, I lie. I come here come chop. Her food not even sweet. It be like.
Madam.
You get mad at talk.
Boss, the food not done. I said, my house money jam, just stop him. As I don't go outside work.
And so what happened?
I tell him, say,
my money,
I go pay him, make I go outside work, come back.
Please,
I go pay him.
How much is my money? 3,000 naira. The Chris.
You will thief. Only. Now just
It's okay. This man and father small food. Now people like you, now go to give the work call for house.
Give face like
expired wicked.
Expired man go see your face.
Take your money. Take. You can have it all.
We're gonna 3,000. It's 3,000.
No, it's okay. To be just.
Okay, man,
can you just go?
I don't stand up. Oh, she don't do me.
You want to remain here? Please, take
Sir, thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir, thank you, sir. Bro, sorry.
Oh, come on, leave me.
Sorry, yeah. Thank you, sir. Hey. Sir, God bless you, sir.
It's alright.
Hey.
Please, can you go?
But thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's alright.
Hey, see your car.
Nonsense.
Thank you.
In my car.
It was just 3,000 naira.
3,000.
Yes, so just 3,000.
Is that why you're fighting?
No, it's not fighting, sir. Now my money are fighting to collect, sir. No, it's not being. Now then they find my trouble. I know they find person trouble. But if you find me trouble, I go give you woto. Now so it just be no verse. I say thank you.
Right. You're a very strong woman.
I'm strong. Now small thing. The boy just they talk to me and I say, please pay your money. Now small I tell him. He just say, will you shut up now? Oh wow.
See, come. You don't beat a man like that.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Stop it.
Enter trouble now.
You're in public.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. No, I don't need it. I just want you to stay out of trouble. Okay? Stop beating. I don't need it. Stop fighting. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning your hand off your chair. Your distance.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Stop fighting.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So I used to say here, it's me that have the shop. You can come and eat.
All right, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. God bless you, sir. God replenish your pocket, sir. God uplift you, sir.
Your Majesty, the way and manner the prince moves around the community alone is very risky. He talks to people ordinarily. No guard, no maid. No, Your Majesty, this is what we saw and we said we should come and let you know about it.
Is that all you noticed? What about the way he dresses? He dresses like commoners in jeans, polo, short sleeve, and ordinary trousers.
You are talking about dressing in jean, polo. Your Majesty, sometimes I wonder if the prince really noticed that he's a royalty. And I pray you, Your Majesty, do well to teach him how to dress and how to carry himself as a prince according to the custom and tradition of our community. This is a crown prince, for crying out loud. And very soon, he will become king.
You want to kill me?
Your Majesty.
Really, you want to kill me? How can you say my son will take over very soon? Is it your plan?
No, no, that's not what he meant. That is not what he meant.
No.
But the truth is, Your Majesty, we cannot live without dying. Someday you will join your ancestors.
You will die before me.
Your Majesty, leaving that to rest. There should be a difference in appearance between the crown prince and ordinary people.
That is it.
And he should get a wife quickly, so before he can ascend the throne, just like his father and his forefathers before him.
That is just the right thing, Your Majesty. But make him to understand that he can never be crowned the king of this land without a wife or wives.
Bob.
Did you say wives?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You see, you don't know my son very well. My son that I know, he has never been a proponent of polygamy. Actually, there was a time I muted the idea of getting another wife and he fought me to stand still. So I don't see him doing that. However, I am on the same page with you in terms of the way he dresses, the way he mingles with the commoners, the way he moves without adequate security. So I will do well to advise him properly. I'll talk to him. Okay?
Well, Your Majesty, having more than one wife, there's nothing bad about it. And what if our tradition demands that?
There's nothing against it at all. Your Majesty, you need to talk to him. You need to make him understand the consequences of his actions.
That is it. Before the people of this land will start making mockery of the palace. Do we allow that?
You said it.
I'm not going to let that happen.
It's all right. I've heard you. My son, I brought him up in a proper way. You know, he has never disobeyed me right from birth. I don't know what has come over him. Okay? But in any case, like I said, I'm going to talk to him. All right?
Very well done, Your Majesty.
Let's do. Come down, follow you here. I will find you, idiot. Come down, follow you.
Young lady, what happened here?
Sana, you no verse. Now those boys where you just separate me from just now, where you never to take. I just say they count my money. Now before you know, he and the friend come back. They can't throw away the remaining food where they here. They just throw one. Scatter my see rice, just the see rice, see meat.
But what you're saying is that they came back to fight you?
They came back to fight me. After I just said to us. But that no be problem, I got no fear. I go handle them. By the time I go handle them, you go tell on them. Say a woman with very big anger issues handle them.
Well, it's okay. I'm really sorry about this. Do you know them?
I know them. A normal useless boys so they work out for street. You no get what they do now. Nothing pay them. Streets no pay them. No one pay them. They walk up and down. They foolish themselves.
Like
I go locate them.
Like I told you earlier, violence have never solved any problem.
Again, only violence I know. I don't know another thing except violence. Only violence.
All right. I don't know. Will you be interested in working as a chef in the palace?
Palace.
Yes. Will you be interested?
Jay! Okay. No wonder your plate nobody cover up. You're royal nice. Sorry, sir.
Will you be interested in cooking at the royal palace?
Yes, sir. I'm interested. I'm not person royal today, yes. Let me be interested already.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm interested.
All right. First thing tomorrow morning, come to the palace for your interview.
Palace? I go call your loyal fathers. Your loyal father. Your loyal majesty.
All right. I'll be expecting you.
I'm very humble, sir.
I'll be expecting you.
Oh, no problem. Your royal majesty, your royal ancestry. Very concerned. Wow. A prince of our kingdom. Well done, sir. Your royal highness. Thank you, sir. Wow. So I'm not going to say a prince they talk to me since. Jesus. I do go with your bad character. Hey. Now go. You see this boy? What you see this boy? Yeah, everybody pay me witness. Say this boy now throw my food first. So now come my no food not suffer cook. Now this boy throw away. Now some go throw away that boy destiny. If I not throw away destiny, may no say my name no be Adugo. Mama.
Mom, what happened? You don't say finish now.
For real? I don't say anything. I want to be some useless boys. Where I go? As I sell food. For where they sell food now? One boy coco, you chop food. As you chop food, I say, "Oh, pay me." You no agree pay me. Now I was on one slap. I just say, "Go pay me my money." You no agree pay me. Now I kick her for grand. From there I beat her. You no agree give money. Now I rock come on go call boys. He call boys for me. I do go. As boys come, now they start to scatter my things. Boys they scatter me. I do go things. Mama not be smart, you know. Not be small fight. Now they come from. I they hold this one so they scatter here. I they hold that one they scatter here.
Hey, Mom, what do you do then, Kwano?
What? I beat their brother. Now make her. What than a brother, being a friend. You no agree pay me my money, Mama.
You for no beat am. You for no beat am. You for let am go. We go judge am.
Which one you say, Grandma, see what you dey talk now. Why you gonna judge this kind of thing?
I don't want me to
say,
wound you.
Which one say they don't want me to wound me? If na Saturday, I like God judge everything. By now I go see money where I take by the next square me. No be God say more will take violence by force. And the violence now they take by force where God don't give me commandments.
Ban. I do go. Take am easy. Take am easy, oh. Now woman you be. Make dem no go wound you.
Which I'm saying a woman I be. Now what you dey talk every time? A woman I be. Because a woman I where I die. Because a woman a man leave man, make man come beat me for waiting. Now power say if you want any way they want I go give am to them. If they want I go I go give them woto. If they want more poor,
Ada, no problem. See me oh. I no want trouble. I no want trouble. My body no want trouble. I don't match your own sobu cha-cha.
But no problem. The person don't give me hints about where they stay. They don't give me their house address. Chief, if I no go there, go level these guys, then break. Man, I don't tell you now, please say make I come to palace tomorrow. What I say I don't tell you.
Palace kwa?
Yes.
What you do with them summon you?
No only bad thing I go to do. So Mama, you don't get hope in me, say I go fit do good thing for this life.
No.
And now the priest, when this katakata they happen, now priest fall from heaven, come down. I know the thing he say, they tell me saying get what he want tell me. Say make I have a they blame nice. He say well say walk the palace. So I know that I say na cook at no. I know the thing say the palace, but anything where they there, I want go because verse they question me that time. I seen they talk, I know they hear what they talk.
I beg, no the verse again. Thank God better thing don't come. Oh okay now.
Mama, you never clean this place this morning.
No be now just they come out.
Good afternoon, sir.
Who are you looking for?
The priest say make I come here today for a job interview.
The prince invited you?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay, follow me.
You no lock your gate, boss. That's why you tell they do the security. Secure yourself first.
I don't know. She said that you asked her to come.
My prince.
How are
Good
you?
afternoon, sir. Fine.
Afternoon.
Don't come for the work where you say man come for.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on. Let me put that.
Okay, sir.
A minute.
Na so na dey stay for this house. No dey fit greet person, nothing. Na your kiss face. Even under the rain, na still dey. If rain dey fall, I no dey run comot for you. No dey fit greet person. Good afternoon. Oh, so but if person greet you, na go answer. No be juju be that.
Oh,
My prince.
you're here.
Yes, my prince.
How have you been?
Fine, my prince. I don't come for the interview. Interview me.
Yes, I'm aware. I won't be the one conducting the interview. My mother, the queen, will.
Your mama?
Yes.
Ah, that one go hard though.
No.
Once something don't come up for man hand, enter woman hand. Another story be that.
No, it's okay.
Women
You're
matter
covered.
no easy.
Just do your best. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chisom,
My prince.
go and call my mother.
Okay.
Tell her the things. It's all right. Just calm down. I recommended you, right? So be rest assured she will get the job.
But my prince, I saw these boys they stand like statue. They know they move body, nothing. Even to greet person, they had them, but if person greet them, they go to answer.
No, it's their job. Okay?
Even under the rain, na their job.
A courtesy demands they mount like this. They are securities. They work for the king. Yes. And they are not hungry.
Okay.
They are paid very well.
They pay very well.
Yes.
Yes. So I feel turn to security.
Of course, that's why you're here. Are you suffering?
No.
Are you suffering?
No, sir.
Are you suffering?
I'm enjoying it too.
They are well paid.
They do well paid. Me too, I'm enjoying it.
That's why you're here.
Good afternoon.
Mother. Her name is Adugo, the one I recommended for the chef position.
Oh,
Yes.
I see.
Mother, I'll just leave it so you can attend.
My prince, you dey comot. You wey carry me come here, you dey leave me comot. Who wan help me for this exam? Sorry, interview.
Young lady, are you from this community?
Yes, my queen. I'm from Ahamefuna compound in Umuodo community.
Oh, I see. Not far from here.
Yes.
From the way you speak, I notice you're not educated.
I'm not educated for book, but I'm educated for food. I know how to write and spell, and I sabi cook well.
Okay. So, apart from our local dishes, can you make other continental dishes?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to make plenty continental dishes, and continental dishes know how to make me. And me be continental itself. Anything you want, I go fit continental and for you.
Are you sure?
Yes. What they say for book award they say, I no fit the continental all those things because those people wey dey there na local people, they no sabi chop am. And they no go fit buy am because e dey expensive.
From the look of things, you're very hardworking.
Na hard work you dey see like this. As you see me so, you dey see hard work.
I hate dirty people around me.
See neatness. From head to toe, na neatness. Now you dey see so. I dey very neat. This cloth na smell am. You no go fit hear any odor. If I tell you say na 4 days I don't wear this clothes, you go believe am. I no, you know, I'm very neat.
I see. So when would you like to resume?
As soon as possible. Maybe tomorrow. My rush go collect some few things I need. I'll just come start to run your kitchen for you.
Oh. Okay. Your salary will be 200,000 per month, plus other benefits.
Thank you, ma.
And you'll be staying at the staff quarters with other maidens. With time, the salary will be increased though. There will be no off days for now until we get an assistant.
Okay, ma.
So Chisom here is the chief maiden. She will show you around.
This girl will do face like sour beans. Now be your chief maiden.
Hello.
Hi. Sorry.
My queen.
Now what I dey see for you?
Follow me if you still want your job.
I dey craze. If queen talk, you follow talk.
Do you want to work or not?
I better go.
She said make you follow her.
Who be this
Follow
Adaka?
her.
If woman be in the talk, Adaka go dey talk. Oga, shut up your mouth. Make people wey get height talk. What be you when nature shit you? They dey open mouth. People wey.
You will lose your work.
You know where you suppose belong. For all those kindergarten school, now there you suppose dey where your mates go dey count ABCD, IBD. Now there.
You will lose that job. Oh.
I'm not for you. You never lose yourself. You don't lose your height.
Listen. Thank you, Your Majesty. Is everything all right? You look worried.
Why shouldn't I be worried? Huh? Everything cannot be all right. You are the one making me to get worried. Huh? Come. Are you aware that you cannot be crowned without getting married?
Father, please, if it's about what we discussed the other time, please, I am still...
Still what? No, still what? What is this? Why are you this selfish? We are talking about the throne. You are thinking of yourself. You're not thinking of your family and the kingdom.
Father, you won't be in a position to find a wife for me. I am old enough to do that. I'm not a child.
That is where you get everything wrong. I am your father. If you like, you can grow from here to Jericho. You remain my child. Okay? So I make decisions for you. Listen, she's coming. She's coming tomorrow. And you better be prepared. Be prepared to see her.
What are you talking about? Can you listen to yourself? I should get married to who I barely know, a girl I don't know anything about.
Listen, the journey of a man starts with a step. So tomorrow, that step starts on that journey. Okay?
Father, this is not fair. It's not fair.
It's not fair. Now, tomorrow, I don't want you to step an inch from this kingdom. In fact, from this palace. Until you see her. Be prepared to see her. And that is final.
Huh? What did happen?
Mama! Hey!
Oh, Dini! What did happen? Tell me, what did happen?
Mama, they don't give you the word for palace.
Hey! God, I thank you. Now you do this one.
Now God run
my grand pikin don't get to work.
I tell you.
Eh?
Yes, ma. Mama, if I tell you that the queen interview me, if you see the queen too fine. Money good, oh, mama.
Hey.
Money good.
Are you serious?
Yes. Yes, ma.
Hey!
I dey happy to go palace now.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma.
I beg, when you dey start?
Tomorrow. And she tell me to make I start. Sharp, I don't start. I just say I can't tell you. If you see the way I run for road, they come. People they ask me, I do go wetin happen. I say no, I don't want to talk the good news to anybody.
Don't mind them.
Except say na my grandmother.
Very good. But tomorrow, hey, tomorrow too soon now. My grandpikin don't they leave me, oh.
Stop now, I know they leave you now. For the palace, I want to go work. If I work small, I go come back here and stay with you.
Happy.
I know they run.
Hey.
I know they run, Mama.
Ah, wow. My pikin. I bet remember go thank that prince. That boy na better person, oh. Eh?
That one na obele and Jonah. No be just to say thank you. Thank you for the employment to Prince. I go thank her. That one no be something.
Abi. Before I forget.
Yes, ma'am.
No go the vex for there. No be say person do you small thing, you go carry vex. You just the vex anyhow. You no good though. Eh?
Grandma, which kind of talk come be this now? What is this? I know they like this kind of thing. How you going to put vex? What you concern vex and employment now?
Oh, now. Eh? I know what they talk. But if you come make you vex now, you go come they react. So if they make you vex, make you go tell now oga. Eh?
Anybody will do anyhow go see anyhow now. Hey. If anybody do anyhow for that palace, he go see anyhow. If my oga do anyhow, who I go call report to? So anybody will do anyhow, including my oga. If oga do anyhow, he see anyhow. Grandma, no, excuse me. For example, now shake me. Grandma, shake me. You know, as you bring your hand now. Hey, I mean, you know, will get problem. I call you water, sorry. So if you bring better hand, follow me. I use it to follow you. But if you do anyhow, you water, you see anyhow.
See as you dey shine. See as happiness don't do you. I put fish, stock fish, even them.
This the only thing I tell like you, Mama. Let me can love you. You can use your good mind till they cook. You know they sell fish if you want cook food.
Abi, I put meat, store fish there.
Hey,
even dry fish there inside. Make I go bring her.
No talk again, Grandma. I too like you. I too like you.
I like you too.
Anybody will not get grandmother for this life. Oh, sorry for you. Ha, me, I value my grandmother past my mama and my papa put together. Ah, love my grandmother. Oh.
When butterfly flies around, don't be scared, it's the beauty of the nature. Life is one thing after another, whereas love is full things after each other. The fools always like to rush in. The fools always.
My daughter, it's really nice having you in our palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
My dear, hope you enjoyed the meal.
Yes, my queen, I did.
Very good.
My prince, how have you been?
Fine. Thank you.
Sweetheart, I guess we have to allow these young birds to do some catching up.
I agree with you, Your Majesty.
So, have fun, right?
My princess, you're welcome. Thank you, my princess.
So I guess it's just us two. So tell me, what are your hobbies?
I love watching football, reading.
I also do like reading and designing. Yes, I do like putting my hands into work. Yeah. It's like you're always on your phone.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your kingdom like?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Really? If he wasn't interested, he should have just said so. Jeez.
Did you see the princess? Yes, she's beautiful. Over beautiful. See, I heard there are so many beautiful maidens in her kingdom.
How did you know?
I have eyes and ears everywhere. But the thing is, I don't even know why the prince doesn't want her.
I don't know, I swear. And she's beautiful. I wish my brother is rich. I will.
You will do what? See, person, where poverty they dance for your family.
Joy, don't insult me.
I'm not insulting you. I'm only stating the obvious. Did you say her as king before you even mentioned those words?
You think my family cannot take care of her?
Of course they cannot. They are poor. Remember, she's royalty, and only the royalty can marry her.
She's betrothed to the prince.
Who clearly does not want her. You know what? I have laundry to do. Just stay here and be imagining your nonsense about rich brother.
I don't.
Well, I'm glad she came.
Majesty, I'm so glad she came. I told you she was going to come.
At least he will be able to know her very well, explore all the particulars, and he will realize all the things he's been missing, you know?
And my king, you believe me, you agree with me, she will make a very beautiful daughter-in-law.
Of course.
And a perfect wife for her son.
Oh, I know.
My princess, you're here.
Yes, my queen, and I want to take my leave.
So soon? At least just wait for dinner. Huh? Dinner?
Yes. And our chef is preparing something very sumptuous.
No, my queen. And thank you, my king. But I really should leave. Maybe some other time.
It's all right. The royal entourage will take you home, okay?
Do not worry yourself, my king. My father, the king, already sent ours. I should really leave now. Please excuse me.
All right, bye.
Something is wrong. From her countenance and the way she spoke, I'm sure their conversation didn't go well. What do you think?
I think so too, but I would say we shouldn't draw conclusions yet. Let's not conclude yet. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
I'm worried.
So am I, but let's keep our fingers crossed, like I said. My king, that face.
What are you doing? Siri, Joy said you should go and do laundry, and they're still standing here. She has come to report you.
Yo. Who be yo?
Yo will be married.
Oh, John. That one. Now they call yo.
See, don't go report you give Chisomo, Chief Maiden. Then go finish you.
Joy go report me give Chisom. Chief Maiden. She dey crazy. What if she dey report me do? I don't have anything. Laundry na my work. Not be kitchen, they employ me for you. Now that one I make you the panic. Where you take on here, they do yo. Come on, boy. I know the fear person. Anybody will do anything, I go see anyhow. If she report me to Chief Maiden, say I no do what she tell me. Or you make Chief Maiden come fight me now.
You don't know where you real.
Only me na force. You understand? As I dare, only me na force. I don't need person to compliment me. Myself full my belly. When she come now. Come. If you want me work, help me work.
You don't know where you real. They go finish you.
Son, you're here.
Mother. You're here.
The princess, she has left.
Yes. She left. I I got a call, so I went upstairs to answer. By the time I'll come back, she had left.
The way you're sounding, I don't think you give her attention. Talk more of speaking with her.
No, we talked.
Really?
Yes.
So what did you talk about?
Oh, mother, please. Why are you all forcing a girl I barely know? Forcing her on me? Why?
You barely know her?
Yes.
That's because you refused to speak with her. If you had spoken with her, you would have known her better. Come, Dikeh, what's your problem? What's wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me, mother. So that you all are forcing a girl I don't even know anything about. I don't know anything, one single thing. I'm an adult. I'm old enough to get a wife for myself, and that is what I'm going to do. Please, mother, I love you, but as you can see, I'm very busy. I'll see you later. See you later, and I love you.
What's wrong with this young man? Huh? What do I do now?
The receptionist head not correct, my own head correct. This one go finish you.
Chief Maidens, go down.
Bounce.
Where are you? Where are you?
No, stay.
Okay. I heard you were asked to do the laundry, but you disobeyed.
Laundry na my work. I said I no go do am, wetin go happen?
Whether it's your job description or not, you are supposed to do what she asked you to do.
My job start for this kitchen and end for this kitchen. I no go do am.
Okay, you're going to actually do the laundry.
Yeah, you dey mad. You put jazz for mouth. The native daughter wey do jazz for you, you get mind o. So if you say if you tell me now, I go fear say na you dey talk were. Come on, boss, come on for here. Na my territory be this. Don't try me. I don't get joy. I dey tell you. See, man, tell you, na only we go where we wear garment and you wife wey dey wear maternity gown. Na only those two people and Prince now fit collect any order from any other person na shaft for this palace, and including you. You no go try am. Na this palace inside kitchen na I dey work. Any other work na counterfeit, I no go do am. I no go do am. You no go do anything. Kai what for here you were? I no dey hear anybody.
Interesting.
I no go do am.
I can see you on the stubborn side.
Go ask about
and I will put you in your place, so not to worry.
I mean, you know, we go know the place. That place where you wan put me, no go fit contain me. You better go find better place put me, because no go contain me were. See person with your big soured face. See head. Microscope.
What was that madness for? Why?
Calm down, my love. I was just goofing with you.
That was quite expensive. What if someone saw us?
Be calming down, Joe. What if somebody saw us? And what if they do? Why are you hard on yourself? What's the problem? Tell me.
Is not that new chef, Adugo, whatever.
Adugo. What problem do you have with that?
I gave an order, and that girl disobeyed my orders in this palace. And she did it in front of a junior maiden.
What? How? What gave her the effrontery to do that?
Can you just phantom that? I asked her to do the laundry after cooking. She just said she couldn't. The audacity, the effrontery. She opened her mouth to say she can't in my front.
Calm down. Calm down. Don't you think you are being too harsh on yourself? But come to think of it, laundry has never been Adugo's job description. Because I know that every maiden in this palace, they all have their duties assigned to them.
Are you siding her? Are you on my side or are you on her side?
No. What she did was wrong.
So?
She shouldn't have disobeyed you,
Better.
no matter what. Okay?
In fact, I think she needs to be punished.
Punished?
Yes.
Chisom, over this flimsy and unfounded issue that you want her punished. Why now?
It's very obvious you're supporting her, you're siding her, fine. Don't talk to me again.
So wait. Women, you can never please.
Daddy! Daddy!
Hi, the one on one more. Chisom.
Daddy.
Adamo. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good now, you can see.
Where's my mother?
Oh, she took some workers to our farm in the Mbidi. I know she will soon be back to cook for them. By the way, this one you are here this early.
Palace Wahala. They needed some things, kitchen, other stuff. So they asked me to go get some things. I said, let me just rush and see you before you go for your morning,
Bam. I just say, let me rest today. Body not be firewood. Huh? Whether
you need money.
My
daddy.
I need plenty of it too.
I know you want money.
I need it.
Well, this one's for the market.
Okay.
This one is for you as usual.
Hey.
Daddy.
Hey.
This one to my mother.
It's all right. Some you said though. I'm not going to divide it into two.
Just give her what she needs.
Okay.
It's okay. Give small to her. Don't
no. Enokwa
you know me now.
My king.
My queen.
Did you even sleep last night? You're up so early.
Sleep? How could I? Huh? How could I sleep when I'm worried sick over our son?
My king, why are you disturbing yourself so much about this issue? Why?
You're asking me why? Huh? An heir to the throne without a fiancé, not to talk of a wife. And you're asking me why I'm worried? Look, the chiefs, the elders, they are saying that they will not even crown him except he gets married.
My king, I need you to calm down. Please. I really need you to calm down. You're being so worked up lately. Please, consider your health. Okay?
The worst is that he doesn't even listen to me. He doesn't obey me.
My king, I would keep talking to him until he listens. But for now, I need you to calm down, please.
Did I do anything wrong for sending him abroad for education?
No, my king, don't say that. You did what every good father would do for their son. Don't say that.
Talk to him. Talk to him, because I'm running out of patience. Okay? Princess Amanda is the only girl he will marry. And he better get ready.
I think I'll talk to him. Okay? I will. And I know he would listen to me. You know he listens to me, right? But for now, let's go have breakfast. Okay?
You go ahead. I'm not hungry.
No, I'm not taking that. I insist. Please.
Fine. I'm coming behind.
Okay, I'll be waiting. Don't take too long.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, my friends. Should I go and come back later to finish up?
Oh, yes. And please, on your way, tell the chef to bring my food. I mean, my breakfast. So I will.
What is going on here?
The prince asked that his breakfast should be served in his room.
What's up?
Give it to me. I'll serve it myself.
Why you the palpitate because you say no be human being she be not God?
I'm sure you have better things to do other than walking around the palace joblessly. And you, get back to whatever you think you're doing. Lazy lot.
You see this now, you or you where they come. One day, I go all blow off your teeth. You see I see the yellow, so if I blow you, you go dry like a Jinamoto. So expensive. It's all of the palpitate to never understand. Anybody that will see person, they say, yeah, she. Now, yeah, she, what they call you, now they make you the booger. What that go, you use verse, swag on. You go dry like dry stockfish.
Come in. Drop it on the drawer.
Okay, my friend.
My prince. Oh, the bed. You didn't fix it properly.
Oh, you're still here. Please, you can go.
Sir? Sir, I'm trying to just...
I said you can go.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, my prince. Okay, my prince. Hey, you. The queen will be having some guests over. So she requested yam pepper soup and goat's meat as its protein. I guess you should start work.
I don't hear you. I bet no verse, I want to tell you something.
And what could that possibly be?
Since I started to work for you, I never go see my mama. Today now, work not too much. If I cook this pepper soup finish for my queen, work don't finish. I better make a rush go see my mama, I beg.
No.
You say?
I said no.
You say no? Now my mama won't go see, no be man.
And I'm sure you're not deaf as well. You see, you need to concentrate on your job, not looking for where to go to.
They concentrate, they concentrate.
No.
You know, go see your... Wicked so, you know the face go see your mama wish. I don't... What? You open my, they tell me. No.
I do go. Stubborn chef, she no send anybody. No matter who you be, she go fight you. I do go. Stubborn chef, she no send anybody. No matter who you be, she go fight you. She fight no auntie, I do rock money.
Abdul.
Oh, Jesus.
What is wrong with you? I walked by the garden. You were looking so moody. Is there any problem?
My prince, nothing. Sorry. Nothing.
Adugo, you can talk to me, okay? I don't bite. Talk to me.
My prince, I just say since when I come palace, come start work. I never see my grandmother. And the thing they worry me for mind.
Okay. Did you tell the chief maiden?
I didn't tell chief maiden, I beg her. Say make I go. She no gree. I don't go as soon as possible. She no gree. I no go know it to do again.
Alright, it's okay. You don't have to worry yourself. You can go. I'm giving you the permission. Go and see them. Go and see your grandmother. But make sure you come back early.
Thank you, my prince.
No, it's okay. It's fine. You just go. Right?
Yes. Thank you, my prince.
Would that make you happy?
Yes.
I know you missed her so much. So please go and make sure you come back earlier to fix the meal.
Thank you. And God will bless you. Fine man will get good heart. Kai. Child. God will bless you. Hi. Hey, thinking be what kill me.
My pikin.
I miss you.
The royal cook.
Mama, no be royal cook, na royal chef.
All of them are the same thing now. Ngwa, royal chef.
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama, how you take the cope since one no day?
You don't forget saying na me be landlady here. Anybody will bring him money, I think can be chop. Or even na Rosie. Nweziri m ọrụ ọzọ. Kenki na manye kwa aka na akpa.
I just bring the small thing.
Hey. Ego. Now God will bless you for me. Oh, God will protect you for me. Now him go dey guide you. So now I don't dey chop grand pikin money. Onye ka mbozi. Ekwe na ego. Hey. No. You no tell me say you dey come. I for cook chicken for you.
Grandma, stop. Not be every time you go to stress yourself now. I can't stay with you. If you see self, I don't tire. I can't stay with you. Plenty food palace. If I want to eat, I go eat. They get one whole food packing store. And food full of food stuff.
Make you come carry me go now. Make I go dey chop for there. Omo, I no go leave that store where you say food full inside. I no go come out there.
Mama, you reach that palace, you no go fit chop.
Hey,
no go fit me now. They cook different type of food every day.
I hope say they let you rest.
They let me rest too. Sometimes I dey try and they rest for nights.
Okay.
But it's not easy. They work. Plenty work there, but it better pass the one where they do before.
No go easy.
Yes. Grandma, bed gist me. Man, no dey use my tire till they disturb me. Gist me wetin dey happen. Any new gist?
You remember that girl, Amara? That one where they always find your trouble.
Oh, Amara. Wetin do her?
She don't carry belle. Amara don't carry belle. Oku na-aga wara. Anya na-enekwe wara na afọ ya.
I do gonna send anybody. I beg you no look for her trouble at all. When you look for her trouble, you must collect her. When you look for her wala, she go show you pepper. Every day plenty wala. Fadu I do go. Stubborn chef. She no send anybody. No matter who you be, she go fight you. I do go. Stubborn chef. She no send anybody. No matter who you be.
I know the quick forget something. I know the quick forget something. Even if say I dey best forget, I will not keep quiet. Your thing say I don't forget. I don't forget. I don't forget. If I don't, Lord of Jesus!
What else do you do in this palace?
Chief, I'm sorry. It's just that
It's just that what? You're just hungry, yeah?
Yes, Chief. The food they serve us did not satisfy me, so I came to make something to eat.
Gluten, liver twist. Are you even supposed to be in this kitchen?
I'm sorry, Chief. I didn't want to disturb you.
Where is the chef?
She's not around.
Did anybody send her on an errand?
No, Chief. She went to visit her mother.
She went to visit her mother. After my warning. What are you still standing there doing?
Chief,
will you leave here?
Okay, Chief, let me just clean up. I will leave.
Clean up and get out.
Sorry. As if I could finish now and I give you, will not eat. Like shouting.
Hey! Nah! Oyana! Oyana! Wait!
Auntie, no vex now.
Hold down! Your grace. If you ask me what
Na devil.
Which devil? They
cost me from village. Who cost you from village? Help me! Should I give me her?
If you run me now,
should I give me her?
From here.
Not gonna help me. I beg
my job again.
Oh no!
I beg my job again.
I'm not gonna try again.
Say you are sorry, ma.
I'm sorry, ma.
Say sorry, ma.
I'm sorry, ma.
Don't say you don't get sense.
I don't get sense.
Say you don't get sense.
I be mumu. I'm also.
I don't catch you. I beg. Na me dey insult abi? No, wait, na me dey insult. Why can you just...
No, ma, sorry, ma.
Sorry, ma. I got some assassin now. I will tell something.
Sorry,
give me that phone, the Grace person. Tell me, sorry, ma. How do you do? See, lapra chicken bowl.
Sorry, ma.
Grace person.
I do stubborn chef. She no send anybody. No matter who you be, she go fight you. I do stubborn chef. She no send anybody. No matter who you be.
Adugo, what do you hide for your back?
Nothing.
Nothing, Ekwa. Where you carry my cutlass go? No be my cutlass you dey hide for your back. Now under you dey look for your back.
Mama, I tell you so your cutlass I carry.
Okay. I see you from afar. Where you go with cutlass?
Mama, I go use and cut a belebo leaf. I go cut them down.
Biko, where to go there? Which one be a belebo leaf?
Belebo.
See as you dey. See as you dey sweat.
I don't clean and finish. I no sweat again.
Hi. No only God go help me for where you dey, this pikin.
See,
Where to go do that cutlass?
Your cutlass, they give you. Your classmate, you
Give me a beg. Eh? You think I know see you when you carry and they run, they waka, they go.
Mama, they better believe they scratch me everywhere.
It's good for you. And you know say you go work, okay? Abi you won't sleep.
Oh, Mama, I don't they go. May they no sack me. May they for no sack me. I bet ma they go, I beg. Yeah.
But I be say you go sleep. Oh.
Mama, they tell you want me to sack me. They don't even know say I come here. Now even because of you, I dey rush. If I see small space, I'll come see you. Mama, stay well.
Oh.
Another day. Yeah. Mama, take care of yourself. Ma.
Hey, my daughter. God will protect you for me, oh.
Mama, they lock your gate for night.
Oh, my pikin.
They lock your gate. They don't let you. You know how this boy dey hide the shoe.
Go well, oh. God will protect you for me, oh. Hey.
No. But do you know what I can do? You're just saying this thing like just believe me on that. Let me call you back. What is it?
Chief.
What? Is the royal household back?
No.
Then what is it?
Chief, I'm sorry. I just came to inform you that the chef is back.
She's back.
Yes.
Go. So she's finally back, eh? After perambulating the whole place. She will see. What was the meaning of that? I asked you not to leave this palace, this kitchen. You left! You disobeyed my orders.
When you be one of the disobeying orders, you don't get fear. I mean, anywhere you see, you go on the back. You know the fear person. Eh? You dey crazy. Respect yourself, oh. Don't try this nonsense with me for a year. Me and you no be mates. No, because I dey here, they cook for kitchen. You can't say you dey talk to me anymore. All this nonsense you do for this palace, mind yourself. Respect yourself.
Are you pointing your fingers at me?
And I go point at what you go do.
Are you talking to me like that?
What you go do?
Are you talking to me like that? Eh? Are you out of your mind?
Try am. No, try am again. No, try am again now. No, come. If you any day we go raise your 50 hand on me again, not be small aju go bugu. Aju go bugu ida. Crazy person. No, if I come, I come talk to me. If you know they catch you, they raise them for me. Your papa.
What are you doing? Why are you excited since someone being punished?
I don't understand. Shouldn't I look again?
The way you are excited about this thing, it seems like you are the one behind it.
Hey, please, don't involve me. Please. She deserves what she got. Do you understand it? She deserves it. Yes. She always feels like she's the best in this palace, ignoring everybody. Imagine that girl, that stupid girl, disobeying the chief maiden. Who does she think she is?
Joy, she's someone that came here to work just like you. She doesn't deserve to be hated by someone like you for minding her business. Joy, can't you change? What is all this?
Chioma, who do you think you are? To tell me what to do and what not to do in this palace? Who? The other day even asked her to watch the...
Is it her job? It's your job, Joy. If I were you, I'll concentrate on my work and stop jumping from one place to the other. Okay, what is all this? Can't you change? Joy.
Busybody, you don't have work to do. I don't have your time. You're small to spoil my mood. Look at your face.
Look at her. Just some puppets. Oh.
How are you? Yeah, how are you?
Fine, my prince.
Please, tell the chef that I'm so hungry, famished, okay? I want to eat, right? Why is your face like that?
My prince, the chef is not well at all.
I'm so sorry about that, but has she been taken to the hospital?
It's not that kind of sickness, my prince.
Then what kind of sickness?
My prince, the queen ordered the guards to flog her mercilessly for slapping Chisom back.
Oh my God. Why would Chisom slap her?
My prince, she disobeyed her. She asked for a permission to go and see her mom, but they denied her access.
God. Where's mother?
In this situation, my prince.
Oh, you're here.
Where's mother?
How was your day?
Yeah, it was okay. We're fine. We're done with the site inspection.
That's beautiful. So you need to go freshen up and your food will be served.
All right. Mom.
Yeah.
I was told you punished the chef.
Yes, I did. That silly girl had the guts to slap the chief lady after disobeying her. What impudence.
I was the one that gave her the permission to leave.
Oh, my God. So why didn't she say something? Why?
You shouldn't have punished her like that.
So what should I have done? I needed to correct her so she doesn't go around the palace fighting everybody.
You could have suspended her or deduct from her salary. Instead of laying your hands on her, she's a woman.
Okay. But the deed has already been done. There's nothing I can do about it.
Yeah. Let me go upstairs and freshen up.
All right then.
This one you are trying your teeth like this. You do it like that.
No. I saw something sweet.
Hey! Something sweet. What did you see? Them pour sweet for ground?
I'll not tell you.
You will not tell me. Then why did you come here? Talk me. You know, say me, I know they stop my mouth like that. I know they stop mouth though. I they keep quiet like this. Now why me and Ama yesterday? They're very close. I can tell you everything.
See your mouth. Look at your ear like an antenna. I'll not tell you.
Send me some. Why are you insulting me? Talk if you want to talk. If you don't want to talk, you go.
Oh yeah, true. Let me tell you. I saw the prince in our room massaging the chef with some hot water.
Tioma! They massage this side.
Shh! Massage it. I'm not talking that one.
You go to cover my mouth. No, you come talk. You don't talk that one. Then why did you come and tell me? I mean, don't tell me anything where they say, "Ma, come up for this parish." So, don't tell me anything like that. No, you come talk and hear. The next thing you say, "Ma, shut up my mouth."
You think I'm lying?
Yes, you are lying. Then, because if you are not lying, you won't have covered my mouth. You are lying.
You're lying. Oh yeah, if you think I'm lying, go to the room and see for yourself. After I'm the one that boiled the hot water using.
Now you boil the hot water. I go, but now you go follow go front. You know say you get as your friend they do. If you go pour me hot water for face. So you will first of all go to the front. Then if you go to the front, you look first before me. I will look.
Who will follow
you now. You say man go see as prince the massage chef hot water. Follow me go.
I'll not.
In fact, I don't know why a young man at his age will still be single up to now.
He doesn't even care. He doesn't care.
And I just hope his father has made him to understand that without a woman by his side, he can never be crowned a king.
We have been talking about this matter for too long. And up till now, there's no headway, no progress. So what is he going to tell us now?
Well, I just hope it is a good news this time around. Let us go and see the Ono.
Ono is already there.
Are you sure?
Let us go.
Oh, let's go and see the Ono. Hey!
My elders, I want all of you to calm down. This is just a simple matter.
Oh no, that thing is not as simple as you think. Huh? How can me still be single at this age? Let me tell you, when I was his age, I had already given birth to my last child.
Wait, what are we talking about here? Huh? Is this what we should be talking about? Huh? Hey, you are not talking about his dressing, the way he mingles with the common people. Huh? He does not, he moves around with no guard at all, no single guard. Now let me ask, what if anything happens to him?
Ichamade, you see, you really took these words right out of my mouth. The other day, I saw him separating fights.
But
what if he had been hit or struck by something dangerous? Our future king! But no.
Nothing will happen to him. Nothing will happen to him.
Let's pray. Nothing happens to him. If not, the future of our kingdom lies in his hands.
That is it.
This kind of thing has never happened in this kingdom, where the entire kingdom scored a royal prince.
You can imagine.
I'm as surprised as you people.
Let's hope and pray that is not the wish of Umoga that is doing this. So, you know they are jealous of us.
Yes.
Even other communities around, they are also jealous.
Yes.
But I'm very sure they cannot do anything to us because when it comes to wealth, we have it. Yeah. Population, we are there. Even physical strength, nobody will defeat us.
Yes.
So they can't do anything.
Which you say? Huh? Which? So will the witch also do with the way he dresses?
Not possible. Not possible.
Hi! And the way he dresses, other communities will start thinking that we are poor. And before you know it, the people of Umoga will start looking at us anyhow.
Hey!
Nobody will think that, okay? Your Majesty, I think he should pick a wife or wives. Maybe she will change him.
Oh no. I want to assume that it's a slip of your tongue to mention the word wives. My son that I know will never subscribe to polygamy, and you know it.
Your Majesty, what is wrong in him having more than one wife? Huh? It's happening everywhere.
It's a normal tradition.
It's a normal tradition everywhere. And if he marries more than one, it's a double blessing.
Your Majesty.
Double blessing.
Your Majesty, please beg him for us. Beg him on our behalf. Talk to him. The way he dresses and the way he moves around. Please talk to him. He's your son. You know him too well, oh. Biko.
Hey. You're supposed to talk to him as well.
Your Majesty. I saw the elders leaving angrily. How did the meeting go?
Your guess is as good as mine. They think I am incompetent because of my son's disobedience.
No, my king. You're not. Don't allow them doubt your credibility of being a good father. You know you're a very good father.
They think I didn't raise him well.
My king, that's not true. And you know it.
Then, why is he disobeying me?
My king, on a second thought, why don't we invite the princess over to the palace to spend some time here? You know, if he sees her more often, it could make him change his mind. I remember the saying, out of sight sometimes could be out of mind. What do you think?
You think it will work?
It will work, my king. I know it will work. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try, my king.
My queen.
My princess. You came?
Yes, I did.
You're welcome, my dearest.
Thank you.
How are your parents?
They are all well. And how are you?
I'm fine.
How is Majesty?
He's very well, thank you. Looking as beautiful as ever.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
Hello? Hello? Daddy? I'm fine. The palace is fine. There's nothing happening here. We're fine. It's not why I called you. See, I called you because that princess, yes, she has come back to the house. She has come back to the palace. She's in the palace now. How am I supposed to know? See, I will make out time and come and see you. Okay. Bye-bye.
What do you want to do? No, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
As you can see, I'm sure you're not blind to notice that I want to dish food out.
Try am. I go use this spoon, I go use this thing. I go use am zaza your face. I go tear your face. Try am.
Wait, don't I have rights to dish out my own food?
They don't observe right on my kitchen. And me be the chief chef. They don't observe right for you at all. Thief. You call yourself chief. No try that rubbish. If you try that nonsense for where I did, so I go carry this spoon. In short, I go carry this thing, zaza your face. Use it your face, take clean this kitchen. Try am. No, okay, you see that a joke.
And if I do, what will you do?
Try am. Try am. My sister. If you not know do it. Wait. I go not destroy your face. Now destroy, I go destroy your face. Kukuma, the last thing we go do, you go report me, they go flog me. Now you go come now. Papa Ngolo, carry yourself come. Man not design you now. Scatter your face for you. My princess.
My queen, I thought you had gone to bed.
Not really. I went to your room and I didn't see you there, and I was wondering if you had gone to the prince's room.
Yes, I couldn't sleep and became bored from staying awake, so I decided to take a walk.
Bored? Why? Have you seen the prince?
Not really, but I've asked of him and they told me he's in his room.
Then go to his room, my princess. How can you be bored? Go to his room so he can keep you company. Hmm? And I'm sure, my dear, you have a lot of things you can do for him. And a lot he can do for you too. So go to him. But nothing. But what? What do you want to say? Yeah, my princess. Go along. Go.
Okay, my queen. Just excuse me.
It's my dear. Indeed, you have a lot you will do for him, and a lot he can do for you too. Same Shakespeare, how can you be bored?
Get a taste for food.
Welcome, chef.
How are you? How you doing? First, collect this waiting. One a day they leave. Now, no fear person collect this. Now, they there. One a pass, so one a suffer, I beg go. One a not throw away the thing, no small. Small, I make better money they take by this thing. Wait till make you one carry use your hand. Only you as you be like a